First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range. Oh, a brand new range. Oh.
Welcome back to the Rohan Aru's Xplore Mindz podcast. I'm your educator, and today we are going to talk about something nobody likes talking about: getting a score that hurts. You study, you hope, you check the results, and it was bad. It stings. It makes you doubt everything. We have all been there. But here is the core truth of high achievement. Failure is not a person, it is an event, and every event contains valuable information. Today we are learning how to transform that faith into power. This is a failure is feedback, rebounding from a bad test score. When you get a bad score, your first instinct is usually to hide it, crumple it up, or blame the teacher. Stop. First, I give you permission to feel bad. Let yourself be disappointed for exactly 24 hours. Call it the emotional pit stop. Cry, complain to a friend, watch a silly movie, get the emotion out. But after those 24 hours, the self-pity earns. Why? Because focusing on the emotion only destroys motivation. We shift from what is wrong with me to what is this score trying to teach me. The grade is a messenger, not a judge. The message is simply, the way you prepare for this test did not get the result you wanted. Now that you have processed the emotion, it's time to become a detective. You need to analyze the score objectively. I use a simple two-step feedback analysis. Step 1. Knowledge gap. Where didn't you know the answer? Go through your paper and categorize every mistake. Was it a fundamental concept, such as you didn't know Newton's third law? Or was it a complex application of a concept? You knew the law but couldn't apply it to a complicated problem. So action that you must take: if it is a knowledge gap, you need to relearn the chapter. If it's an application gap, you need more practice problems. Step 2. The execution error. Why did you make the mistake? This is where the real coaching happens. Was the mistake because you A. ran out of time, B. misread the question entirely, C. were confused by the specific wording, D. panic and blank out? Stress management issue. Action that you must take. If it's A, you need limited practice. If it's B or C, you need to practice active reading of questions. If it's D, refer back to episode 2. You need better pressure management techniques. The key is to identify the root cause of the failure, not just stare at the bad grade. Part 3. The recovery plan. How to rebounding. Analysis useless without action. Here are 3 steps for your immediate recovery plan. First, isolate and attack. Do not try to fix every subject at once. Choose the top 3 topics from the failed test that need the most work. Commit it to spending 15 minutes every day for the next week only on those 3 topics. The second one, use the first 10 rule. For those few days, use your first 10 rules from the episode 1. Then ask for review the corrected test paper and the remedial work. When you feel overwhelmed, communicate a specific need, but don't stay. Stop pressuring. The last one, the accountability check. I'm feeling a lot of stress. Go and talk to the teacher. Could you help me by checking my practice? But the most powerful on Saturday, don't ask why you failed. Asking me ask my score. What specific resources or types of practice do you recommend for me to master this concept before the next assessment? This shows them you are committed to the rebound. Every single successful person, every top student, has a mountain of failed tests behind them. They didn't quit. They treated the failure as a specific, actionable message. Embrace the feedback. Start your rebound today. Thank you for tuning in to our Rohan Aru's Xplore Mindz podcast. Next time, we are going strategic. Beyond academics, the essential soft skills universities look for. Don't miss it. Until then, keep exploring your potential. Have a nice day. Bye.
First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range. Oh, a brand new range. Oh. Second thing, second doom, cities clean and bright.